So I'm going to start by doing some massage in your belly, and the kind of massage that, or the kind of manual medicine that I learned from my teacher is, he used to always say that diagnosis and treatment are the same. So partly it's diagnostic, partly it's treatment, partly the way that your belly responds to what I do is kind of feeds back into the diagnostic loop. So, and nothing should be uncomfortable. So if it is, let me know.
Sure.
And I'm going to start out feeling for temperature fluctuations or hard spots, or kind of testing the way that things move or directions that things move, or make sure all your organs are where they belong and not twisted up in knots or anything like that. And I do a lot of kind of vibratory stuff, or like pulsing, creating a movement like that, partly because everything in your body vibrates and pulses, and so kind of exaggerating that will give me some information about how it does that.